pardon me. Yes, they are.
My car doesn't get down.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Just look at what the leaves falling up.
Oh, I know. Look it. I know.
Once I get away from that side of the house, I'm worried about a tornado now.
Well, you don't have to worry about it because look what's going on. Oh, that's not going to work. Let's see what the front looks like. Oh, and just think of what this is doing to the... Ouch! Ow. You should see the side yard.
I can't believe all the leaves coming down.
Oh my gosh. I'd open the door, but it'd be too damn dangerous. Look at the kitchen windows. Well, excuse the dark, but and then the fireplace, that's not really good either. But look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Well, it's not going to show the size of them. Shoot. I mean, look at the size of that one over there. It's the size of a golf ball. It is completely covered all the way. Yeah. Oh my God. Huh? Oh look, the gutters are full. Jiminy cricket. Oh my goodness. Ah! At least it's coming straight down now instead of blowing sideways. And I said, and I thought it was going to be here at 9 o'clock. Ah! I'm a little off.
Oh, that's beside the point.
I know, right? Thanks, darling. I love you too.
You open the door, I get
That's all right. I comprende. But yeah, look at the vehicles.
Oh my God.
Now, zooming in isn't going to help with the double glassed windows.
Gosh, look how deep it is.
I know, right? Oh my goodness. We have been visited by the... Oh, look at it, did it. Even put water up there. Water's never come up this far, ever. Look at here.
In that pile.
It is May 22nd, 2011, and we're getting ping pong size hail, winds that are tearing all the new leaves of spring off, and the whole yard is full of... God, I hope the horses got in.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is our kind of day here today. Look at the roof on the barn.
I know. God. That would hurt.
Oh, this is not nice. Oh man, that is just something else. I know, right? Oh. Oh, it's not done yet either. It's starting to come again.
I know, they're bigger.
My goodness, I have never in my whole life been through a storm like that. And it's not over yet. Lovely. It was raining so hard you could feel the flippin' floor shake. Now that's pretty outstanding. And there is so much hail. I don't know, man. It's just like outrageous. Even the water's not making clean spots, and all the downspouts and gutters are full of flippin' hail. So, good thing we had a couple days of dry to help the water soak in. Can you see them bouncing off the railing there? Yeah. Talk about head tangling. Oh my gosh. Here comes some more. It's coming again. Another big wind. And it's bringing it with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think there's going to be a couple dents on the car. It's not done yet. Oh, the poor bird nest. Oh no, the hawks. And the turkeys and the squirrels. The leaves are just coming straight off. This is something else. Huh, Miss Annie? What do you think? Here comes more. Here comes another round. Could actually feel the house shaking. Let's see where else. I even got into the corners. Ah, and there's the sun shining. Oh, that's just something else.
Oh, that is bizarre.
Whoops. Taking it with you? Oh, now I see where the water flow is, straight in the yard. Watch my vehicle get stuck.
Yeah, there's flood coming down over on this side too.
Huh? On what side? Where?
Over here. Through the yard.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I would call it flood.
Well, but it's a different thing that's been happening.
This never happens here.
Oh, man.
20 years I've lived here, I've never seen anything like this.
Right. Well, we better dry off the... Oh my herbs! Oh my gosh, the tomatoes! Everything we've had is now gone. Oh, my babies are hurt. They're... Not gonna focus. Oh my goodness. That is hail. That is not snow, that is hail. In Asheville, North Carolina, we just got beat to crap by... Look at this! Ah! And more is coming. Oh, look at that was empty. Oh my gosh. Ah, here it comes. Here comes some more. Lovely. Ow. Oh, it's cold. It hurts. Lightning. Oh, we got a new little creek started. Stay in there. There goes my idea of my garden. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And that's leaves. That's not an empty spot. All the trees just got it. Hey, there's some sun again. Oh my gosh. This is too cold to even stand on. Oh my gosh. There's even some in the seat. Oh, even some on the table. Ah. Yep.